Hello, my name is Guy Fredrickson. Today is December 3rd, 2020, and this is my fourth video on this 1959 Chris Craft 283 engine. Literally just a few minutes ago, I made a video showing how I was breaking the gasket seal between the transmission housing and this casting here that makes the transition between the transmission and the engine block. So once that seal started to break, it came off pretty quickly. So initially, like I said earlier, I cleaned up the area where the two faces meet with a wire brush so I could see the gasket paper. And then I started to hammer in these box cutter blades to act as small wedges, and I went around and got as many of those in as many places as I could reach and slowly hammered them in. And that got the separation started. And then once that was underway, I used this paint scraper to act as a wedge to get it the rest of the way. And then when it was about a 1/4 inch separated, I started using some screwdrivers very carefully to get in there and pry it apart. And then it broke free. So just to point out that in this particular transmission, which is a Paragon, it shares the engine oil. So the engine oil is pumping through the block and the heads as it normally does. And then it's open to this case, so it can just splash over into this area and lubricate the transmission and then flow back into the oil pan. So good news, got it taken apart, and hopefully everything on the oil side will start looking really good, and we'll see what we got. Okay, until next time, goodbye.